Okay. I am so upset right now because I saw that little old video that the coaches made talking trash to my beloved eighth graders. I'm really upset about that right now. I can't believe that they truly think they're going to win this Rumble in the Jungle. So, I don't know about that. That video was so upsetting, it made me go, you know what? I'm rolling with my eighth graders. Let's go, eighth graders. Let's show our coaches and the teachers who have decided that they want to be on the team as well. I think Ms. Hastings, Ms. Dominguez. Okay, let's show them what we got. Let's show them what we got. And also, if the coaches lose and the teachers lose, how about Lions? How about we design them a little old Coach Wilson workout? How about we do that? We make them do a Coach Wilson workout. So let's see what you got today. I'm looking forward to the video dropping that our eighth graders have made, because I don't know, I might have to come back and tell you I'm rolling with teachers and I'm gonna roll with staff. So let's get those tickets if you want to go to Rumble in the Jungle. Tickets are, you can buy them in the office. You got to have your fees paid before you can buy a ticket to the game, and we'll be selling them today and a little bit for tomorrow. So let's go. Let's rumble in the jungle.